Hi, I'm Ashley from I Like That Lamp, and in this video I'm going to teach you 4 basic macrame knotting techniques. To make a lark's head knot, start by making an upside down U shape. Now tuck this behind your dowel or branch or whatever you're using, and tuck your cord through the loop that you've created. Now pull on the ends of your cord to tighten your knot. With the half square knot, you start with 4 pieces of cotton cord right next to each other. You'll be working with the 2 outside cords only. Make a backwards number 4 shape by crossing your right hand cord underneath your 2 middle cords and over top of your left hand cord, and then take your left cord and pull it through the loop that you've created with the number 4 on the right side. And now we're just going to repeat this. So again, tuck your right hand cord underneath the 2 middles and over top of the one on the left, pulling your left one across in between the 4 shape that you've created. With this type of knot, you'll eventually start to see a spiral effect. When you tighten your knot, pull down on the 2 middle cords at the same time as you pull on the 2 outside cords. To make a full square knot, we start by making 1 half square knot. So again, working with the 2 outside cords only, create a backwards number 4, and then pull your left hand cord through the number 4 that you've created on the right hand side. Pull your cords tightly so that they're nice and secure. And now we're going to do this in reverse. So create a number 4 shape behind your 2 middle cords and in front of your right hand cord, and then pull the right cord through the loop on the left hand side. This is a full square knot. So now I'm just going to show this to you one more time. So you create your backwards number 4, pull your left hand cord through the number 4 shape, pulling your cords tightly, and then you do this in reverse, creating a number 4 shape and then pulling your cord on the right hand side through the number 4. To make a half hitch spiral knot, you need at least 2 pieces of parallel cord. You'll only be working with one of the cords and the other will just be a filler. So starting with the piece on the right, make a backwards number 4 and pull your cord through that shape. So again, create your number 4 and then wrap the cord around and pull it through the loop that you've created with the number 4 shape. And I'll do this a couple more times just so that you can see it.